In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra AI features. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra also received AI features, just like the newest releases from Samsung. To access these AI features, go into the settings and you should see Galaxy AI. If you don't see it on this menu, it is either going to be elsewhere or you need to perform a software update. So if you don't see anything related to AI, update the software on your Samsung smartphone. Once you see the option for Galaxy or Samsung AI, choose it and you will see all of the options. So here are some of the artificial intelligence things that they have, which they call advanced intelligence. They will have call assist, writing assist, interpreter, note assist, transcript, browsing, then photo and drawing. You can choose whichever of these options you want to use to manage them. If you want to disable specific ones, you can as well. So, for example, if you choose Writing Assistant, you can enable or disable it accordingly. They will be described here. So, for example, Writing Assistant helps you organize and improve text you've written or selected text, and you will see all of the use cases for this particular advanced intelligence feature. You can choose more Galaxy AI features to see the others and manage them individually. I'm not going to cover every single one in this video, but of course they will come into play when you are doing a specific action. So for example, for Writing Assist, when you are typing a message and you highlight the text or you select it, you will see this icon that is just a bunch of stars basically. If you see this icon, this refers to Galaxy AI. So whenever you tap on this icon, regardless of what you're doing, you are going to open the AI feature. And now you will be able to use Writing Assistant or in other use cases, a different AI tool. They will help you use all of the features in your smartphone with ease and they will always be available. Another example would be the call assist, which usually would come into play during voice calls. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Samsung S23 Ultra AI features. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.